Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreath.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 midday, and right now you're taking a look at some clouds over the skies in Wairika. This view coming courtesy of the Rain Rock Casino. Mostly sunny skies this midday, 78 degrees already in Wairika. It is warming up and in a hurry at that. We are in the 60s and 70s over on the east side, almost touching 80 degrees already for Medford and for Wairika. And we've already surpassed 80 degrees in the Mount Shasta City area, 66 degrees this midday there along the coast in Brookings. All right, here's what's going on radar right now. Not a whole lot. You can actually see the clouds beginning to thin out for the time being at least. Some very light showers up here in Douglas County. If these hold together, maybe they'll impact Chemolt, but these are very light showers. But a little bit later in the day, I should say a little bit later this evening into the late evening hours, that's when we're expecting this next influx of moisture. This will provide some more substantial showers to the coast, and then overnight for the west side valleys and for the Cascades. But look what happens into Saturday morning. Those same areas continuing to be impacted by some showers, but after lunchtime, it looks like everything will fizzle out. And not only will we dry out, but also the clouds will start to dissipate a little bit too. So we could have some sunshine for your Saturday afternoon and evening in Southern Oregon and Northern California. But that will be a very temporary ordeal, because look what happens in a Sunday morning. Big time rain. You can see these yellows and oranges and reds representing some moderate to heavy rainfall rates, and that'll continue a little bit later in the day on Sunday. So for the time being, definitely enjoy some of this drier weather. For example, maybe go poolside for today, as we are definitely going to have some pool weather out there. Very warm temperatures getting into the 80s in our west side valleys, but just keep in mind the UV index is going to be way up there in spite of the clouds. We're giving it a 9 out of 10, so that's about 15 to 20 minutes between the time of you stepping outside and your skin getting burnt if you don't have on any sunscreen. So for today, we might be a little bit cooler in the Rogue Valley compared to yesterday by a few degrees, because we could have more clouds, but elsewhere, at least in Siskiyou County and over on the east side, it's going to be a pretty similar day compared to yesterday. And then for the coast, there is a chance of showers. It's not looking nearly as impressive now as it did just a few hours back, since we've gotten some of these latest model runs. And something else we'll be dealing with today will be the winds. Winds gusting anywhere between 20 to 40 miles per hour coming out of the west. The biggest wind gust will be on the east side and up in the Cascades. Then overnight, we're expecting some showers again, mainly for the Cascades, for the west side valleys, and for the coast. We'll stay dry and pretty mild in Siskiyou County and over on the east side. Tomorrow is Medford Pride 2022 at Pear Blossom Park. You'll have to dodge maybe just a few showers in the afternoon. But again, like you saw in Stormcast, I think most of us will start to dry out, especially after lunchtime. But since the nature of these showers and thunderstorms will be kind of scattered, it would be a great day to have that Stormwatch 12 weather app on hand. That high-resolution interactive radar will really come in handy. It does look like Sunday will be the biggest rain day. Also, that's when we'll have an increased risk of thunderstorms, especially for Siskiyou County, Klamath, and Lake counties. We will dry out in a big way as we get into the beginning of next week. So here is your 7-day forecast along the coast. We'll have that chance for showers today, mainly in the evening and late evening, and rain is looking pretty likely for Saturday and for Sunday. For Siskiyou County, I've already kind of touched on it, but there is an increased chance of lightning strikes for Sunday, but we'll dry out pretty quickly into Monday. Temperatures rebounding in a big way as well. Look how much we're going to cool off into the weekend by about 20 degrees in between today and into Sunday. So unseasonably cool, not only for the east side, but also for the Cascades, really everywhere in Southern Oregon and Northern California. The mountains could maybe see a little bit of snow Sunday night into Monday morning, as those snow levels could drop all the way down to 5,000 feet. Not expecting any big accumulations. And then for the Rogue Valley, it looks like a wet and stormy weekend, but we will have a gorgeous start to next week.
Okay, so it looks like just kind of enjoying the temperatures we have today, because things are changing heading into our weekend. Yeah,
definitely. And this is, again, another one of those forecasts where there's a little something for everyone. We have dry weather, we have wet weather, we have hot weather, and we have cool weather as well. So a weather buffet.
Well, thank you for providing that to us. It just always happens to be that the rain part of our buffet falls on the weekend.
Statistically, that seems like impossible, right?
Right.
But it just keeps happening. Mother Nature, she works in mysterious ways sometimes.
She really does. She says, y'all don't want a fire season? Well, here, then enjoy your weekends with some rain. Thanks, Sean.
Of course.